Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to turn on notifications for people you may know on Facebook using your PC. This feature helps you stay updated with potential connections and expand your social network. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, locate the notifications icon in the top right corner of the page. It looks like a bell. Click on it. Next, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the notifications panel. Click on these dots to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize how Facebook notifies you about various activities. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled People You May Know. Click on it to open its specific notification settings. Finally, enable the option Allow Notifications on Facebook by toggling it on. This ensures that you'll receive updates whenever Facebook suggests potential connections. And that's it. You've successfully turned on notifications for people you may know on Facebook. With this feature enabled, you'll never miss an opportunity to connect with new people suggested by Facebook's algorithms. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others and stay connected for more useful tutorials.